Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so I think this morning is time to make my coffee and something quick to eat. So we're gonna go with something like a grilled cheese maybe. Let's see what happens. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, what I normally do with my coffee is I use some heavy cream and then I use some collagen. So we're putting in a scoop of collagen right now. I do like one squeeze of the MCT oil and two of the packets of the pure organic stevia. And then we start frothing. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Foodie Fridays, and that's every Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's being hosted by Small Town 6 and Jessica Myros. Okay, so after frothing, then we're going to go ahead and top the rest of that mug with some coffee, and then we're going to head on over to toast some of the bread. Now, normally you would do a grilled cheese in the frying pan, maybe with some butter, but I am just way too hungry. Had an appointment this morning. So we're going to toast this keto bread, place the cheese in there, and then just microwave it enough that the cheese melts. And that's how I make my quick and easy grilled cheese. Remember that every time you full watch a video and click that like button, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying my video. Okay, now we just take it out of the microwave and we are ready to start eating. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.